how to write attractive and effective email. 5 steps can make your email attractive and very effective. Follow these 5 steps, which I'm gonna tell in this video, and every single step. The first one, that is salutation. And secondly, your opening sentence. The third one, that is body of the email. The last, that is called closing sentence, and in the last you have to do definitely your signature. The first one, I talked about, that was salutation. In salutation, what you can write, that is, you can start with the help of this. Just I'm taking one name, that is, hello Mr. John. You can say hello Mr. John in salutation. Hello Mr. John. And maybe you can say, dear Mr. John, or you can also say good morning Mr. John, if it is good morning, definitely. And otherwise, if there is a lady of management of that any office or anywhere, you can use, hello Miss Priya, hello Miss Priya, and these, hello Mr. John, dear Mr. John, and good morning Mr. John, these three. Now it comes your opening sentence. In opening sentence, just you can use the first phrase, that is, I hope you have had a great day so far. I hope you have had a great day so far. Otherwise you can use, I hope you are doing well. I hope you are doing well. And otherwise you can also say, and I hope or I trust this email finds you well. I trust this email finds you well. Now it comes your body of the email. In body of the email, just you can use the first phrase in starting, that is, I hereby would like to inform you that, then your reason. I hereby would like to inform you that, then your reason. And otherwise you can also use another phrase, that is, I'm reaching out about. I am reaching out about, then your reason, tell. And after that, write your reason why just you are taking, leave, why you are writing this, leave email. Or in the last, you can use your closing sentence. In closing sentence, I'm telling to you, that is, I look forward to hearing from you soon. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Otherwise, you can say, I look forward to receiving your approval soon. You can say, I look forward to receiving your approval soon. And the last one you can use, otherwise, this beautiful sentence, that is, looking forward to your prompt response. Looking forward to your prompt response. And in the last, that is your signature, that is sincerely, yours sincerely, and then your signature XYZ. Yours sincerely, then your name, Mohammed Zishan, or any name, just your is. You can write your name, and just you can see this email on your screen, how beautifully this has been created and how beautifully this has been written. Remember one thing, just to see very carefully, there is, there are some space, make similar space in after one line. There are some points, after the full stop, make similar space, and definitely these steps will make your email beautiful and attractive. Thank you so much for watching this video on which topic just you want to watch next video. Let's see in the comment section below in the video. Thank you so much for watching again.